Okay, I think I have the skeleton of my SCX 24 or 24th scale crawler park. Let's start here. Just a steep ramp. It's again the skeleton. I've got some the expanding foam spray to fill in and make a little more organic. And then obviously this bridge will span across here. I'm walking along the backside now, and this whole thing will turn into the recess that you see in the background. Calling this little area Rothy's Ridge. These are all inserts from some of my wife's shoes. I only have two 3D printed parts, these two arches, and this will be a tunnel that you can go through here and kind of come up, more undulation, and then be able to go back down that side and or down through here, same thing, up and either down through here, up and around back there. Have a little bit of open area that I'm going to freeform with the expanding foam. A little bowls area into what will be a mud pit, or the little mud pit. A couple different paths to take. One with a steep ascent and some heavy undulation, and then more of a flat, deeper rut type simulation. And then the spiral staircase coming up, a little more freeform stuff here in the center, and then the two bridge types. They're similar but not the same. This one's a traditional pole, and then this one is to simulate, well, here is a ridge, but it wasn't wide enough, so they had to put down a single beam. And again, all this will be filled in with the expanding foam, give it a little more flair. But yeah, this is the skeleton I'm going to throw down. I'm going to use a homemade plaster cloth. Instead of cloth, it's going to be, or I have cheesecloth. And I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up on the camera, but the hole size is about what you typically see in plaster cloth. So I'm hoping this will work out. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I haven't heard anybody talk about it, but this was incredibly cheap on Amazon. I think it was $11, and it's something like 240 square feet. So we'll see how that goes. Got some cheap Mist Tints paints from the paint bin at Lowe's, and we get it all nice and painted up after all that's done. So yeah, the progress so far.